It's that time again, friends. Time to head down to the happy place for Monkey Bars Business Fortnite 5 pull-ups and hanging and practicing our strength, our body weight strength on the bars. We get dips, we get lunges, sometimes we jump rope afterwards, and we are steadily increasing our pull-ups. So here's a tip. Start with the exercise that requires the most strength and stamina. We're feeling a little drained today, but we always seem to feel this way just before a great workout. That's the primer. Now we have to get to the execution. As usual, I will see you guys at the playground. And here we are back at the happy place. Typical environmental conditions, that is high winds, but it's a beautiful day despite being surrounded by clouds. We're surrounded by the white clouds. And we don't do burpees out here anymore because this pull-up type thing and the dips and the core, we may do a few. Sometimes we have enough energy left to do burpees, but I mean, if that's the case, then that means we didn't do enough on the bars. So with that, we'll get into it, get back to you guys as usual right after this message. The Jimmy Jam is real life fitness, baby. No gizmos, no gadgets, no injections, no implants, no games, no contests. Apocalypse year fitness. The Jimmy Jam is real life fitness. It's a real life struggle, baby. Picking up heavy weights and putting them down. The Jimmy Jam is real life fitness. Apocalypse year fitness. Every day is another struggle, and the struggle is real. So we embrace it. The Jimmy Jam is real life fitness. We embrace it. We are very close to wrapping it up, friends. We're having a modified day today because we have modified energy, modified on the low side. I mean, we struggled through our pull-ups, and I thought we were in danger of doing less than 10 for the first time this month. Well, it's a new month, so. But we got it. We got a 13 and 2 10s. We rocked it out. We did our other stuff. We only did 3 rounds of the usual work. And then we went into some different type exercises. We did get one new move in to help us with the front lever, and I actually got that recorded for you. So it wasn't a 100% day, but it wasn't less than 85%. I'd put it at about 90-95%. I tell you one thing though, the grip held up better than the strength, and that is a huge plus because most people will tell you the grip is the first thing to go. So grip strength has increased noticeably and remarkably, and whenever we get the energy and the strength and the grip strength all working together, boom, we'll be busting goals. And that's it for this Workout Wednesday. Thank you as always for joining in the good deeds, the encouragement. Appreciate you guys. See you next workout.